Well, hello everybody. Remy is here to assist me here, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to manage your Facebook community, specifically making sure that you're following up on messages and comments, and that's some of the basics of community management here. But we're going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually do it on your phone. So let's go ahead and take a peek here. So here I am in Facebook. I'm looking at the dead of winter page, and um, if you go to your notifications, I'm sorry, not your notifications, if you go to your inbox up here, it's going to go ahead and take you now. If you'll notice, they were very crafty. They actually took us out of Facebook and they took us to the Business Suite app. So that's the first trick, is you want the Business Suite app. Um, but when you're there, you can go to the inbox down here in the lower right corner, and now you can see any pending messages, and of course we're good at community management, but up here you have your filters, and we can see things like show me unread messages or show me anything flagged for follow-up, and then of course you can check spam, see if anything fell into there. um, and then that's a cycle of community management right there for the messages, and then of course you can look at the archive and see previous messages, pull that kind of stuff up. And then comments work the exact same way too. So again, we're caught up on our comments, but we could always filter to see, are there any unread ones, any things that we need to follow up on, and then did anything hit spam. Um, as far as following up here, um, that'll be the last thing that we talk about here. So for example, in this message here with the band, we don't need to follow up with them, but if we did, I'm going to unarchive this and show you what it looks like in the main box over here. So here it is out of our archive. If we needed to follow up, we could simply hit the ellipses in the upper right and mark as follow up. And there you go. And so if you have a lot of conversations or a lot of things going, like if you're in the middle of a launch, like when my band released their CD and there's a bunch of conversations people want to buy, you can always filter by the follow-up. And then whenever you're done with it, just go ahead and hop in the ellipses, and you can go ahead and archive it when it's done. And that's going to go ahead and do both. It's going to take them out of follow-up and then put them in the archive. So do that with your messages and your comments, and you're going to be sure to manage your community very well, and you don't even have to do it from your computer. So if you thought that was cool, let us know. Did you learn something? Take it home with you.